Yeah, perimeter. Okay, and in this video I will teach you what is perimeter. Okay, so when I say perimeter, this comes in the case of closed plane figures. First I will take an example. So rectangle I will take. Okay, this is rectangle. So this is one straight line, this is straight line, this is another straight line, this is another straight line. See, here what happens if you take two pairs, this and this one pair, this and this other pair. Okay, so this you take this pair, this and this, so its length and its length will be same. I will take like this, a b c d. See, length of AD, length of BC are equal. Okay, so one pair of sides have equal length. I will take this length. See, DC and AB, these sides are equal in length. Length of this AB and length of DC are equal. Okay, so this is the rectangle. This is the property of a rectangle. So this perimeter concept comes in the case of closed plane figures. First I will write like this. So this is rectangle. Okay. So this rectangle is an example for closed plane figure. I will write here closed plane figure. First, what is plane figure? First, this part. Plane figure has length and width. Okay. So this is length. Okay. This is width. Okay. Only two dimensions, length and width. It has no height. Okay. So such figure is called plane figure. So plane figure is a figure. Okay, it has only two dimensions, one is length and another one is width. Okay, so that is the meaning of plane figure. Next I will take this closed plane figure. Okay, you understood what is plane figure. So plane figure is this, rectangle is an example. Closed plane figure means what? Closed means it is completely closed. There are no any opens here like this. See, if I erase here, here is a open. If I erase here, see, here is a open. Some open is there. If there is a open, there is a open figure. So these are the opens here and here. I just erase. These are the opens. But rectangle has no such opens. It is closed. See, like this. It is closed. You can check around this. There is no any opens. See, there are no any opens. There are no any opens. This figure is completely closed. Okay, so that's why it is called closed plane figure. Okay, I hope you understood what is the meaning of closed plane figure. Whenever I say perimeter, this applies only to the closed plane figures. Okay, that's one point. Now, so I just said when this perimeter concept comes. Okay, just now I told only that this concept comes only in this case. Okay, now I will tell what is perimeter. Okay, so this is closed plane figure. Okay, you take any starting point. You can take here, or here, whatever. I will take one point here at a starting point. Okay, the perimeter is distance covered along its boundary. So see, this is the boundary. Okay, This is the boundary of rectangle. I said distance covered along its boundary. Just now I showed this is the boundary. What is the distance covered? So if you start from A, so this is the distance. Come, you will come like this, you will go like this, then you will come back like this. So distance. So from here, when you start from here and if you go like this and go like this and you come back to the same point, okay, whatever the distance covered along its boundary, this is the boundary, so whatever the distance covered along its boundary, okay, is called perimeter. That is a perimeter. Okay, here another condition is there. When you start from point A, okay, and when you start from point A and will go like this, when you come back like this, you have to stop here. You have to start this point, and after coming back, after going and coming, you have to stop here only. After this point, you should not go once again. So only once you have to move around the boundary. Okay. Okay. So this same thing I will tell in words. So perimeter is the distance covered along its boundary when you go around it only once. That means if you start at point A, you have to again, if you start at point A, you have to stop at point A only. Only once you have to go. So this distance is called perimeter. Okay. Now how to find the perimeter of this rectangle? So this is a formula I have to remember. See. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to sum of the lengths of its sides. Okay. This is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Okay. For example, see, this is 8 meter. They have given this is 12 meter. So the side length of AB, the length of the side AB is 12 meter. The length of the side AD is the 8 meter. So now we have to find the perimeter. So this is the formula. Sum of the lengths of its sides anta. So according to this formula, the perimeter will be, we have to add the lengths. Sum means addition. So take the rectangle, take its side lengths, its length, this side length, this side length, this side length, and add all the sides. So whatever the answer you will get, that will be the perimeter. Now see, we know the length of the side AD, this one 8 meter, length of the side AB is 12 meter. We don't know length of this side, we don't know length of this side. Remember, it is the property of rectangle. If this side length is 12 meter, the opposite side is this. Its length also 12 meter. Like this we have to find out. Now if the length of this side is 8 meter, the opposite side to this side is this BC. Since this and this are equal, so this 8 meter will come here only, here also, here also. Okay, these two sides are equal and this are equal. Now use the formula. It's telling sum of the lengths of its sides. That means we have to add the side lengths. So first take this. What is side length? 8 meter. Meter I will write later. First write only number. So 8 plus, next this side length is what? 12 meter. 12 plus, next this side length what? 8 plus, next this side length what? 12. Okay. Now add all this 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12. How much you will get? 40, right? 40. We get 40. What is the unit given? Meter. Here also meter. So that unit you write here. Meter. Okay. Now this is the answer. Okay. So perimeter of this rectangle is 40 meter. I will just take another example now. Second example, I will take a square. Okay, square. So they are given like this. Say 1 meter they have given. Okay, they are given figure like this. So first, what you have to do? You have to label the sides. That means this point four corners are there. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners. You have to label them. That means you mention with a letter like A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay. Next step is what? To find the perimeter. So you remember the formula always. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square also sum of its sides, side lengths. Sum of its side lengths. So this is the formula. Like it is similar to rectangle only. Okay. Sum of its side lengths. That means what? We have to add the side lengths. Like how you have added in case of rectangle. Here, what is the point here? You should know what is square. Okay. See, in case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length. We have seen. But in case of square, all sides are equal. Okay. All sides are equal. All side lengths are equal. This point you should know. Otherwise you cannot find the perimeter. So first you have to find the other side lengths. Here only one side length is given 1 meter for this AB. We don't know side length of this BC and this CD and this AD. We have to find out. How to find? You should know an important point. What is that? The square has all sides and their lengths are equal. All side lengths are equal. Okay, this is its length is same as this, its length is same as this, its length is same as this. So whenever they give side length of one side, you can find the side lengths of other sides. So they have given one side length 1 meter. Since all side lengths are equal, here also 1 meter, here also 1 meter, here also 1 meter. Okay. First you have to do this. Next come to formula. According to this formula, sum of its side lengths. We have to add the side lengths. So first is what? Take this side. AD. What is the length? 1 meter. This meter I will put later. First take numbers 1 plus. Next take this. What is value? 1 plus. Next take this side. What is value? 1 plus. Next take this side. What is value? 1. Okay. Now add this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4. Now we have to mention the unit. What is the unit? See here. Meter. Here also meter. Meter you have to write. So 4 meter. So perimeter of square is 4 meter. So this is the answer. Okay. I hope you understood. Okay, hey, anything if you want to say related to my teaching, you can mention in the comment. Okay, click on subscribe. Thank you.